say a program in KTurtle to print a clock. So for this I am using go to function, repeat is repeating itself, tr is turn right and forward, bw is backward, goy is go to y axis, this is go to x comma y, this is go to y axis. So only these things I am using and I am writing a program. So we'll see how it runs and I'll explain. First thing is I am going to 120. From there I am going to draw a clock. So for a clock, so 15 actually this is 12th time is enough. Just to print the numbers I am moving it to 15 times. If you put 12, I will run and show you, then you will understand. So this is how it is. So the round it came up to here using repeat 12. So I moved this here 13, 14, moved it here to write the number from 0. So for writing this number we need to have a loop which runs 12 times. So 12 times, why I am using BW is I have moved 30, so I have to move back 30 to write it. That's why, and get the y axis and print the value of I. I initially is 0, then the next one it will be 1, so it is incremented like that. It goes on up to 11 and go to y. And why I am doing this is, so since we moved this, the same position we have to come back. So that's why I have done that. And then go to this value and I am printing up to forward length of 100. So first we'll see this. So here you have variables. So till now you didn't have variables in the other program. See I equal to 0. So this I value has been moved up to 12. So I have not used any function. Tree is there. So now one by one we'll see the value of I. So you can see initially it is 0. See 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, you can see this. So that is how you can check this. Now we'll observe the y value. See here y value, it is keep changing. So all threes are numbers. So now we'll try to observe the tree, how it works. So it goes here and it repeats this loop for 15 times. Then it repeats this for 12 times. And then finally it goes to 230 and prints a straight line. So this is a very simple program to write. So we'll just modify this and see what all happens. So here instead of 15 I am giving 12. 12 also will create this circle, but it will start numbering from this 10. We'll see that. You got it right? So from here it starts the numbering. So just I want the number to go here. We have changed like this. So I'll move back it to 15. Move it back to 15. So this 12 is the same. In case I am not giving this, what happens? You are not moving backwards. So what happens? So you can see. So it is not coming back to the original position to run. So it goes back. Goes forward 30 and moves. So that's the reason I have given forward 30. So now we'll remove this and check what happens. So can you see why it happens? Because the next time it has to move to 30 and then do the TRFR. But I didn't allow it to move forward 30, so it drew a clock like this. So now we'll comment this. See what happens? It goes beyond the line. So this is, we are not allowing it to turn at all. So it is just going forward. So that's why we got like this. So now I'll remove this. See what happens? It did not move 60. But otherwise everything is the same. So since it did not move, it did not have the numbering also properly. So that's why we need this. So I hope you understood how it is working. So it is very simple. So why I have used turn right and forward is just to create this circle. So you can try this method. It's easy. Thank you.